Hi there and welcome to my dog massage course. I know, what the bloody hell am I wearing? I'll get into that later. Look, if you want to learn how to give a simple, beautiful dog massage, whether you have massage experience or zero massage experience and just want to be able to massage your dog or other people's dogs, that's what you're going to learn here. We're not going to look about injuries or treating this sort of thing. It is just like, if you can think of a basic massage, like a relaxation massage, that's what you're going to learn. So it's not complicated. You're going to learn the steps, the skill sets, and look, I'm going to be going through this course with dogs that I don't even know, okay? So I'm going to show you because, hey, it's great if you've got, just a dog that's going to lie there, but the vast majority of you might have a puppy, you might have a chihuahua, a terrier, these sorts of dogs that are not going to just lie there still. What do you do then? That's what we're going to look at through the course. So if you're lucky enough to have a dog that will just lie there, well, lucky for you. But if you've got a dog that go, I don't think he's going to lie there like this, that's what I'll address. How do you massage those dogs? Just like in a baby massage, you have to work with the dog or work with the baby. That's what you're going to learn. So by the time you finish this course, it's a short course, it's very simple, but it's going to give you this beautiful gift. You're going to come out the other side of this and you'll be able to give this beautiful connection with your dog to be able to massage, because massage it has the same therapeutic and emotional benefits, just like for us humans getting massages. Dogs are no different. So that's what you're going to be able to give this beautiful gift, whether your dog's sick. As I said to you, we're not going to look at treating therapeutically. It's just like a beautiful relaxation massage. And if you want to take it further, well, this is your introductory course.